So what we studied in optical isomerism, that it arises due to ability of a compound to rotate, to take a reflection along a plane of polarization. Two conditions are required. It should have a chiral carbon. Okay, we saw that it has two different groups attached to it, and mirror image should be non-superimposable. Now what does that mean? That we placed a mirror in between. Okay, we have one carbon and its reflection on the other end, the organic compound. If I try to place this picture, okay, onto this picture, they will not be matched. Okay, they will not be imposable on each other. That is called non-superimposable. Okay, so when you try to merge both pictures, they won't be perfectly aligning with each other. Clear? Example, we have a formula of some organic compound, structure formula. Now you have to first identify the chiral carbon. Okay, chiral carbon, you have to see it with yourself, that which carbon in the carbon chain could be a chiral carbon. Okay, how do we identify? We get a rough idea that this carbon will be having four different groups attached to it. So if I see carbon number 2, it has hydrogen with it, OH with it, C double bond OH, and on the one side it has CH3. So which means this is a chiral carbon. Okay, these are four different groups attached to it. We drew the structure. Okay, in chemical bonding, we usually study that tetrahedral. Okay, so we're going to draw it like this, shape of molecules, tetrahedral structure. Okay, now, yeah, yeah. So this carbon is a chiral carbon. How do I know that? I'm seeing that this is attached to one hydrogen. This is attached to one OH. Okay, and another thing is that this is attached. When something is in bracket, what does that mean? That this is attached to it. Okay, attached to that carbon. And the next carbon, you already know, no? The next carbon will already be attached to it. But anything that is inside the bracket means that this is attached to the preceding carbon. Okay, and I already know that on the back side this will group will be attached to it. So when I see that this carbon has four different groups attached to it, so that will be the chiral carbon. Okay, we will seeing the questions today, then you'll get more idea of it. So I made a mirror in between. After drawing the structure, I made a 3D structure. I made a mirror in between. And what I did then, I reflected each and every group. Okay. Then you made two isomers of each other. Clear? So now we're going to solve some past papers. Yeah, I'm recording. But now I have to stop it because OneNote recording is done. Now we will move to the file recording.